Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Programmer. So in last class we talked about all these things here, the functions, and I show you how so many ways of creating a function and so many ways of using a function. So in this video I'm going to teach you about arrow functions. Arrow functions are very important. They help you to simplify your code and then help you to prevent writing unnecessary codes. So let's say I have a function that adds two numbers together. I'll say void add numbers, and I'll say int first and int last, right? And I'll say let me say I'll return it, and I'll say return. Okay, no, let me just do it. I'll say sum is equals to first plus last. I'll say return sum, and then as usual I'll come here and say int sum is equals to add numbers. I'll say add numbers between 2 and 5, and I'll say sum. So here is the traditional thing we did in the last class to give it 7 as expected. But what if we don't need to do this? We can even simplify this further and say last or first plus last, and you still get exactly the same thing. But this is not even the case. What if I delete all these things? I delete this, and I come here and say put an arrow sign, and I say first plus last. Does it make sense to you? Like, what if I can do something like this and I run it? I still have 7. So this is an arrow function. Arrow function, this is arrow symbol. This alone means return. So return first plus last. Simple. And this is going to come in handy in so many places. I'll show you the very important use of this arrow function. So whenever you don't have any statement, you don't have more than one statement, or you don't have a side effect as it is called, whenever you don't have more than one statement in your function, you can easily convert it to arrow function. When you have multiple statements, you cannot convert it to an arrow function. You can just leave it like that in a regular function with a body. So let me show you a very good example of an arrow function. Let me create a list. I told you the other time, we have a list, an int, we have ages, and we have this 2, 10, 7, 9, and 6. So let's have something like this. And I told you that you can say ages dot for each, right? And then I'll have this print. Let's say we have here name age, and we have age. If I print this now, I should get, like in our last class, the array class, right? You understand, from our array class. But what if I tell you that instead of doing all this, you can just delete everything here? I'll just return this like this and say age. What if I tell you that I can do something like this? Wait, let me check again. That's for each. And if I remove this, I'll return this like this. Element. This is just, you can pass element here, you can print it. That's why we're not seeing it. So what if I say you can do something like this? This is age, this is age. So I say ages dot for each age, I return print the age. So you see how simple arrow function simplifies things. So most of the times you just have it like this in a straight line, and then you're good. So this is just it about arrow function. I just wanted to explain it to you. So most of the times, if you really want to use it, just use it. But if you don't want to use it, go to your regular function. All of them are still going to work the same, and there's no performance benefit or anything like that. So it still gives you exactly the same performance, whatever. It's just syntactic sugar. There's not much advantage. So if you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. That is just it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.